Hey, Johnny Old School here, and time for another episode of Bad Combos. Today I got Quaker 100% whole grain quick oats. Everybody loves oatmeal. Oat fiber helps reduce the risk of cholesterol and heart disease, after all. Now, I'm sure we've all grown up on oatmeal. I used to get those packaged kinds as a kid that have like little chunks of fruit in them and stuff like that. Those are too sugary for me these days. I like the plain oats, a little bit of Canadian maple syrup in there. That's damn good stuff. Makes a good breakfast. Now, instead of maple syrup, I will be mixing it today with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. This is probably the best barbecue sauce I've ever fucking had. We can't get it in Canada. We have to go across the line down to Washington to get it. But it's one of the most versatile barbecue sauces I've ever had. You can use it as a dipping sauce. You can use it as a marinade. You can brush it on pretty much any meat product, except maybe chicken or fish. It's delicious. And if you mix this with maple syrup, it makes the best rib sauce you'll ever have. And it's kind of interesting because they also make another version of this that's like maple and hickory smoked or something like that, that tastes exactly like this mixed with maple syrup. But I'm just gonna try a little bit of this here. It's a damn good barbecue sauce. It's not too vinegary. It's very sweet. It's not overpowering. It's like the damn perfect barbecue sauce. And it's probably gonna taste terrible in oatmeal. Anyways, time to cook this shit up. Okay. First you get the oats, then you get the sugar, then you get the women. I'm sorry, I'll never do a Scarface impression again, I swear. That was pretty fucking bad, wasn't it? Gotta make sure it's a decent sized bowl here, although oats always expand a million times more than you think they would. Figure that should be good. Close that up to preserve the freshness. Excuse me. Now, add a little bit of water. Normally I like to add milk, but fuck it, because I'm not going to be eating all of this for obvious reasons. That should probably be good. And now the microwave. Now I will edit this so you don't actually have to sit through the 2 minutes. Alright, looks like it only took about 1 minute to cook. Anyways, here we have our delicious Quaker Oats oatmeal. You can of course cook this longer if you want it to be firmer, or less time if you want it to be more liquidy. I like my oatmeal just about in the middle. Okay, now I'm not nearly as scared of this as I was of the fucking smoked salmon coffee, but this is probably still gonna be bad. Now my wife did say that she thought this might be good, but I'm not sure I agree with her. Get a good amount in there. That'll be interesting. And we'll stir it up. Oh, it already smells weird. Jeez. Oh man. Looks like baby vomit. Why did I say that? That's about as mixed as it'll ever be. It smells like barbecue sauce smell is good, but mixed with the oat smell, it's like kind of this musty, dank, kind of like if you have like a car trunk that's like leaking, there's a hole in it and you get like a bit of mildew in there and it smells like kind of old and musty. Kind of what it smells like. Well, I guess I gotta try this now. Oh. Oh my god. That's way worse than I thought it would be. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. Oh man. I'm tearing up here. Huh. No sir, I don't like it. Fuck. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. That is fucking rank. That is rank. That is great barbecue sauce, but mixed with oatmeal, it is fucking rank. I don't even know how to describe the taste. It's like it makes it sweeter, but like it's like turns into this gooey, chunky paste that like sticks to the inside of your mouth, and like the flavor of the oats doesn't complement with the flavor of the barbecue sauce, obviously, but it creates like this new gross, sticky, sweet flavor. It's bad. It's really bad. Fuck me. That might have actually been worse than the salmon coffee. Like seriously, that was like shockingly bad. Huh. Well, final verdict on Quaker Oats. Oh, sorry, that's the French side, because I'm a filthy Canadian. Final verdict on the Quaker Oats. These are damn good. Everyone knows it. Final verdict on Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. If you can pick some of this up, definitely try it out. I fucking love it. Especially like on pork chops. You like soak some pork chops in it for a few hours, just slap it on a frying pan. It's damn good. Because the barbecue sauce kind of starts to like caramelize, and so you get this nice like delicious sweet glaze over your pork chops. Good stuff. And final verdict on the oatmeal with the barbecue sauce. Bad. Really bad. A lot worse than I thought it was gonna be. If I had known it would taste like this, I wouldn't have made this video this morning. Anyways, I hope you bastards enjoyed that. Johnny Old School over and out.